Looks are one thing, but will it really work for fidgeting? Paul here, and on this channel we do tend to take gadget reviews, and recently Metmo Cube reached out to us because they ran a successful crowdfunding campaign for the Helico, the world's first helical gear fidget toy. They sent us one to check out. In this video we'll be checking out the aesthetics, how noisy is it, and can you really fidget with it, and I'll make sure to drop a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Now ready? Here you go. 1, 2, make sure to catch it, 3. First up is the design, and it could be because of my background, but I think it would be a perfect fit on an engineer or designer's desk. Actually, this thing would fit on just about anyone's desk or any environment and look great. I would definitely refer to this as an executive desk toy. This thing is elegant enough that we need to use the right wording to describe it. Just a second. Hey Mason, how's it going?
Hey Paul, how's it going?
Hey, could you read that script that I sent you?
Sure, the one about the beans?
No, not that one. The other one, the latest.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sure. The Helico is a two-tone metal solid design with a solid brass outer portion and an aluminium inner portion. Is that what you wanted? That good?
Absolutely perfect. Exactly what I needed. Thank you. So much more elegant than the word aluminum. It's a very clean look that is smooth to the touch without any burrs. The outer portion on both of them have a herringbone pattern. The center of one of them has a magnet, where the other has a bearing and a tip. There are 3 main ways to fidget with the Helico. Let me know in the comments below what you normally fidget with at your desk. The first way to fidget with them is the stack spin, and it really shows off the precision in which these were made. The magnet, the tip, and the bearing all fit just perfectly together, giving that satisfying snap and sound when you connect them together, and it allows it just to rest just perfectly to spin in the vertical position. You can spin them in your hand, you can actually put it upside down and spin it, you can even put it on the desk and spin it with your finger and just play with it like that. I did notice that if you hold it in the horizontal position, it doesn't let it balance on that tip as much and it won't spin as long. And this also will not spin as long as a fidget spinner, but I don't think you're looking for a fidget spinner if you're picking this up. The second way to fidget with the Helico is the gear roll. This leverages that herringbone pattern on the outside, which will interlock together and keep it centered because of that V-type shape, and this will allow you to roll it around each other. And there's lots of ways to do this. You can put it in between your fingers, and if you pick up more of these, you can connect them all together to be able to roll them around and such. There's a lot of ways that you can do this, and it is pretty good for fidgeting. The third way to fidget with the Helico is to use it as a top. The design with that denser brass ring on the outside and the lighter weight aluminium core on the inside really works well. You just take it and just like a top with the tip portion and give it a spin. This isn't gonna last as long as some of those super long lasting tops that you can find out there, but that's probably not gonna be fun for fidgeting purposes. And this brings up another topic, is how loud is this Helico to play with and fidget with at your desk, and will it annoy people around you? If you notice, this is extremely quiet, and it's surprisingly quiet how quiet it is. Whenever it falls over and finishes at the end, you don't really hear a whole lot of noise. In fact, you could do this next to someone else working, and I don't think it would bother them at all. Every way I've played with the Helico, all those other methods seem to be fine as well. The only one is whenever you put the gears together, if you move it really, really fast together, you can hear the gears engaging with each other a little bit, but just don't do that, and you won't annoy anyone around you. I think it'll work out great for an office environment. Beyond these methods, you can also combine it with other desk toys and fidget toys to come up with other ways to play with them, such as thinking putty and making patterns with these herringbone designs. Back to the original question. We know that it looks great, that there's different ways to fidget with it, and it's quiet, but is it effective? Well, unfortunately, I've been working from home and have spent way too many hours right here at this desk testing this out, and I will say, for a matter of fact, yes, I do pick this up quite often and fidget with it with meetings while I'm concentrating, all those things. Hope you found this video useful. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you can watch more videos just like this one.